Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Info. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about Dhurandhar box office collections. Ranveer Singh film takes the second week record in just 5 days. That also hands Dhurandhar another daily record for Hindi films, and it's not even close as it beats the previous record of rupees 17.50 crore net by Chhawa with an insane 65% margin by Jitendra Singh updated on 17 December 2025. Dhurandhar went up on its second Tuesday in India collecting rupees 30 crore net approx while Tuesday growth has become a regular trend over the past year since the introduction of discount day. Dhurandhar has not opted for any of the discounts so far, and yet the film managed a surge in business. It could be due to extra audience touring up as the habit has been cultivated now, or the film remains on the ramp still. The 12 days running total stands at rupees 13 391 crore net, including rupees 195 crore from the 5 days of the second week. The second week is already a record for Hindi films, surpassing rupees 178 crore of Pushpa 2 Hindi, and there are two more days to go. The full week is on track to collect rupees 240 crore net or so. This underlined an interesting shift in business from the last decade when it was easier or more often seen that a film broke the first week record, but now the first week record has been the same since Jawan in 2023, while the second week record has been renewed for the sixth time in the last 3 years. That also hands Dhurandhar and other daily record for Hindi films, and it's not even close as it beats the previous record of rupees 17.50 crores net by Chava with an insane 65% margin. For that matter, when considering the overall Indian box office records, Dhurandhar is second only to Bahubali. The conclusion, which grossed rupees 39.25 crore in all languages, the rate it is going, it may start beating those Bahubali 2 records in the coming days. Dhurandhar was already a lock to become the first original Hindi film to cross rupees 600 crore net, and now it is becoming more and more likely to collect rupees 700 crore net as well. Then of course there is rupees 738 crore net of Pushpa 2 Hindi for becoming the highest grossing Hindi film of all time. That seems like an impossibility even on Sunday, but not anyone anymore. A lot will depend on how it holds this coming Friday when it faces competition from Avatar 3rd. The box office collections of Dhurandhar in India are as follows. Archery Thagvela projects first day box office forecast for the Raja Saab final update for Avatar Fire and Ash. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Goodbye.